Who gets to be a Canadian citizen? The Trudeau government says 23-year-old Alexander Vavilov does not have that right. He is one of two brothers that were born right here in Toronto in the 90s, born to Russian spies, although they say they had no knowledge of their real identity.
You want to betray our country?
Well, after everything we've done, I don't think it's such a betrayal.
The FX series The Americans, inspired by their story. We first brought you this story last month through a Maclean's investigation. The courts ruling that Alexander should have his Canadian citizenship reinstated. His brother's case still pending. But late yesterday, that all changed.
Right now, we're at a time where the question of who gets to be Canadian, who doesn't, is very much on the minds of Ottawa. What we've been waiting for the last few months is to see if the Trudeau government would appeal that ruling or seek to appeal that ruling to the Supreme Court. They had until yesterday at 5 p.m. to do so, and they waited until the last possible day to do it. They filed their leave to appeal application. The Canadian Security Intelligence Service believes that the eldest brother knew his parents were Russian spies, had actually pledged to join them in working for Russia's Foreign Intelligence Service. And there's some speculation out there that the government may be appealing the younger brother's case, more so because they want to keep the older brother out of Canada, because whatever happens with the younger brother's case will likely affect his case as well.
Right now, it is difficult to tell how long this legal and political battle will last. The Supreme Court first off needs to decide whether or not they'll even hear this case. If they do, it could still be tied up in the courts for months to come. For a full look on the story, head to our website, citynews.ca. Melanie Ng, City News.